Hey everyone, I'm Amber. Today I want to talk about something that will honestly free up hours. Automation for content creators who are drowning in editing. Do you churn out long videos and then spend forever hunting down the good bits, trimming, exporting, and manually scheduling posts across platforms? Still doing the old copy-paste, clip-by-clip grind? If that sounds like your life, stick around. I'll walk you through a workflow that turns long-form videos into a steady stream of short, shareable clips, automatically using Vizard and a no-code automation tool like Make.com. You can swap in Zapier if you prefer. Trust me, once this is set up, it'll feel like hiring a tiny, extremely reliable video editor that never sleeps. First, quick intro. Vizard is an AI-powered editor that automatically finds the interesting, viral-worthy moments in long videos and turns them into ready-to-post short clips. It's got 3 punchy features I love: auto-editing viral clips from long-form footage, an auto-schedule that posts at the cadence you set, and a centralized content calendar so you can manage everything in one place. Those are the star features, but Vizard isn't just tooling, it's a different workflow. Instead of spending hours per video, you feed Vizard your raw content, tell it how often you want to post, and it does the heavy lifting. Now, a quick heads up about other tools. There are platforms out there, like JogAI, that are amazing at specific things. For example, turning photos into avatars or generating talking head videos from text. But their focus is different. They are awesome for avatar-based video generation and scripted generative video work. Make.com, formerly Integromat, is a brilliant no-code automation builder. It's like Lego blocks for workflows. But neither of those is built specifically to extract highlight clips from long videos and manage recurring content scheduling the way Vizard is. In practice, that means if you use a combination of avatar generation tools plus a generic automation builder, you'll still need to manually decide which parts of your long videos are actually worth pushing as shorts. Vizard automates that discovery step, which is the most time-consuming part for most creators. Okay, enough preamble. Let me walk you through a practical step-by-step setup you can replicate. I'll keep it simple. We'll use a Google Sheet as the trigger so you can bulk queue long videos, Make.com to orchestrate the flow, and Vizard to auto-generate clips and schedule them. This flow lets you drop links or uploads into a sheet and get a queue of short clips posted automatically. Step 1. Get your Vizard API key. Log into your Vizard account, go to Settings or Integrations, and copy your API key. This key is your golden ticket. It lets Make.com talk to Vizard and kick off clip generation and scheduling. Keep it secure, but have it handy. Step 2. Create a scenario in Make.com. Head to Make.com, click to create a new scenario. In the module list, add a Google Sheets trigger first. We'll use new row or watch rows depending on your preference. Then add an HTTP or Vizard-specific module. If Vizard is listed in Make, use that. If not, use HTTP and call the Vizard API directly. Paste your Vizard API key into the connection settings so Make can authenticate. Once connected, Make can call Vizard to create clips, check status, and fetch results. Step 3. Prepare your Google Sheet. Create a new spreadsheet and in the top row add headers like video URL or G drive link, title, preferred clip length, post frequency, description, platform. You can make the sheet as minimal or as detailed as you want. For batch jobs, each row is one long video source. If you plan to reuse settings, create a second sheet with presets, e.g. Shorts 15s, TikTok vertical, and reference those presets in the main sheet. Step 4. Map the sheet fields in Make. Back in your scenario, map video URL to the Vizard input, map preferred clip length and title to the appropriate parameters. If you want Vizard to prioritize highlights, set the clip selection mode to viral or engagement first. Naming may vary depending on your Vizard plan. Make sure to check the sheet contains header option so Make reads rows correctly. Step 5. Call Vizard to generate clips. Add the module that sends the video to Vizard for auto-editing. If you're using Vizard's API directly, the payload will typically include the source video link, desired clip durations, how many clips to generate, and scheduling hints. Example parameters: video URL, clips count, 5, clip length seconds, 15, priority, viral. Vizard will respond with a project or job ID. Save that ID in Make's flow because you will need it to pull for completion. Step 6. Wait and pull for readiness. Auto-editing takes time, especially for long videos. After you create the job, add a short delay, a sleep or waited action, in Make for a few minutes, or better, set up a loop that pulls Vizard's job status endpoint every X minutes until the job is done. This is cleaner than guessing a fixed wait time. If you have a batch of long videos, you can stagger the pulls so your flow stays efficient. Step 7. Fetch the generated clips. Once Vizard returns that the job is complete, call the Get Clips or List Outputs endpoint to retrieve the downloadable URLs and metadata, clip length, thumbnail, timestamp within the original. Map those outputs into your next Make module. This is the point where automation becomes magical. Each row in your Google Sheet can yield multiple short clips, each automatically captured, trimmed, and ready to post. Step 8. Schedule or publish. Here you have options. You can add a Make module to upload the clips directly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or to a social scheduler. Or use Vizard's own auto-schedule feature by sending back scheduling instructions, post frequency, preferred times, captions. If you want to add personalized captions or hashtags dynamically, use another module in Make to run a small template engine, combine the sheet's title, the original description, and a few trending hashtags, then attach that metadata to each clip. Step 9. Log results and handle errors. Save the clip IDs and published URLs back into your Google Sheet so you have a record. If something goes wrong, clip generation fails, or upload errors, add a notification step in. Make, send yourself a Slack or email alert. Over time, you'll learn which content types fail more often and can tune Vizard's selection settings. Testing time. Always test with one row first. Click Run Once in Make, add a row in your sheet with a video link and settings, then watch the scenario run. In a few minutes, check Vizard's projects and your social accounts. If the clip shows up and the caption looks good, you're golden. After that, bulk add rows for batch processing and let the system run. Pro tips. If your videos are longer than 30 minutes, increase polling intervals or use webhooks if Vizard supports them to avoid hitting API limits. Use a Tools module to add a longer sleep when you know rendering takes longer. For creators who repurpose recordings from Zoom or StreamYard, point Vizard to your cloud storage and namespacing, keep raw files in a folder, and drop links into the sheet. For teams, maintain a content calendar sheet that make reads to schedule posts according to your publishing strategy. Why this beats old school workflows. Manual clipping is slow and subjective. You spend time deciding what's viral, how long the clip should be, and when to post. Vizard takes that burden off your plate by algorithmically finding moments, creating multiple edit options, and integrating scheduling so you can focus on content creation, not the grind. Compared to using a mix of avatar generators and manual editors, this approach is purpose-built for repurposing long videos into a stream of shorts. And when paired with Make.com, it becomes fully automated. A quick comparison note. Tools like JogAI are stellar for generative avatar videos. If your channel is all scripted explainer clips made with avatars, they're a great fit. But for creators whose primary asset is long-form recordings, podcasts, live streams, interviews, Vizard's highlight finding and auto-scheduling are purpose-designed. Make.com is the glue that ties everything together. But remember, Make is generic. You still need a smart editor like Vizard to actually find the good clips. The combo of Vizard plus Make is where automation becomes meaningful for scale. Use cases. Where this setup shines. Podcasters who want daily short clips to promote episodes, educators who film long lectures and need bite-sized lessons, entrepreneurs producing weekly live Q&As who want constant social snippets for marketing, agencies managing multiple creators who need a repeatable pipeline. You can literally add 10 long videos to a sheet and get a month's worth of scheduled short posts out of it. Final thoughts. Once you set this up, your role shifts from editor to curator. You can review the clips, tweak captions, and let the system handle the grind. Sign up for Vizard, grab your API key, connect it with Make.com, and build out a small scenario to test the flow. Start small, iterate, and gradually scale up. Create once, publish endlessly. All right, that's the walkthrough. If you want, I can lay out exact API payload examples or a sample Make.com scenario next. Drop a comment or ask for the JSON snippets and I'll share them. See you in the next one. Happy automating.